Good morning, Hustle family. This is Big Low with Big Low Hustle, and we had another property. Early bird catch the worm. Grass need to be cut. We had a little garden right here. Yep. Let's work our way in the back. It's a nice house though. Yeah. Very nice house. So when I woke up this morning, tried to start my truck, couldn't get it start. I think I need a new battery or something. Truck was sitting for a while, but my neighbor came out here and one of those DeWalt chargers, and I tried to do it with my other truck, but it wouldn't work. But I got the charger. He let me use the charger and it started right up. So I'm just keeping it on right now so I don't get stranded until I go get a battery. Okay, we in the yard of the property right now. This is the back of the property. Nice little deck right here. Yep. Side of the property. Nice little sheds right here. So they have one shed right here and there's another one right there. So, you know, it's nice. Like these trees been planted though. Some nice trees also. Yeah. Nice rose. Bush. Yep. Nice rose bush to give your lady some roses. Yeah. That's pretty decent. Pretty nice. Yeah. It's like a small alleyway right here. But it's like you can like walk onto somebody else's property, but it's kind of weird to me though. I mean, I guess somebody like it, but I wouldn't like it. Yeah, let's move up front, y'all. And these rose bushes also sticky bushes. Yeah, them sticky bushes stop them. Yeah, they most definitely sticky bushes too. I wouldn't put sticky bushes on my property because I wouldn't want the birds to get hurt. They can get punctured or anything. But I guess they keep the birds off so they won't eat the plants, eat the roses. Hidden meter right there. Yeah, another thing, I got a Ford, so, I mean, it's a good truck. I mean, I ain't really had no problems with it, but I'm usually a Chevy guy, though. I am a Chevy guy. I'm just, take that back, I am a Chevy guy. All right, let's go into the property and see what's going on. Okay. Stepping into the property. Floors. It smells really good in here, too. Smell real good. Yep, carpet. See these red marks right here? Well, the red tape, they call it tripping hazards. So whoever looking at the property or realtor come look at the property, someone want to buy it. It's just warn you so you won't trip and, you know, injure yourself. That's all. Okay. This is the dining room. So I believe this is like a small hallway or a small vestibule right here. But this is the dining room right here. Yeah. Nice ceiling fan. Hampton Bay. Yep. Let's move on to the kitchen. Yeah. This kitchen. Yeah. Got your pantry right there. Yeah. Shut these. Okay. Now, I believe this is part of the kitchen area. I want to say dining room part, but I don't know. Maybe it is the dining room part. Okay, you got your breaker box right here. Everything shut off. Refrigerator, nice and clean. Refrigerator nice and clean. It's a nice refrigerator too. Yep. Move, man. Oh, look at this little spot, man. So I guess this is like the dining room part of the house, or parts of the kitchen, because you know when the food ready, you can tell everybody the food ready and just grab your food and everybody can sit down and eat. Yep. So let's go into this room. Gotta watch the step here. See, there's a tripping hazard down. Okay. See, hot water tank, furnace. Stuff to keep all your soap powders and bleaches and pods, whatever you use to wash your clothes. Okay, this is a box. I don't know what's in that box. Oh, it's filters in this box. You got filters in here. Oh, okay, that's what it is. These filters are going to the furnace, that's all. Okay. It just doesn't leave. I'll remodel it. I'll remodel it though. It's put together. The furnace like it's brand new. It's a Carrier furnace, so it's like it's brand new. But it's cool though. I like it. Steps. Let's move up to the front of the property. Okay. Room, small room. Carpet. Burgundy carpet down. Yep. It's nice. Very nice. Yep. That's real old school right there. The mirror part is really old school. It's nice though. The jackets. Okay, let's move to the side. Alright, snow room. I'm kind of like a friend one of these bedrooms or like rooms, living area rooms or whatever. But it's nice though. It got different color carpets. Tell you that much. Take these up. Ceiling fan up. So, move back to this part. A little patio. Guess you can set up a little TV here and you can chill out, grill out. Go out on the patio. Yeah. Yep. Let me close this screen. Nice. See, that's why I see it's capped off. Okay. All right. This door don't have any hinges on. It need to be fixed. I gotta have to fix this door. Put some hinges on because it's just sitting here. So gotta make sure I take care of that. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom. It's the bathroom right here. It's pretty dark. Keep on forgetting my flashlight. I don't understand. But we can see here a little something. Guess whoever was living in the property at first, it was handicapped, so they got all the disability handles right there, and they got the chair. Yep. Closet right here, a linen closet. All your towels and stuff. Okay. All right. This part of the attic, up here. So these steps are really steep. It's like a board, and it's like you walking up a ladder, but it's steep. But it's okay. Yeah. I'm definitely okay. I'm pretty tall. I'm like 6'4", so yeah, it's nice. And I can stand up here. It's real nice up here. Okay. Yeah. Got your bathroom over there. Yeah. Bathroom, medicine cabinet. Shower area. Alright. Okay. Nice. Alright. So, it's wrapped around all the way around the property. Yeah, this is really nice. Right here. Yeah. Pretty big, too. It's a nice bedroom. Nice bedroom. You can put 2 beds over here, actually. It's nice. If you want to have a single, you want to have some room, you can put yourself a couch like that. And yeah, you can, however you want to work it out. Could be an office area. It could be a business area. Yep. Let me open this up. See, okay. All right. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I don't have that many views, but I mean, I'm just starting, so it's cool. Okay. Attic area. Yeah, it's pretty nice though. Huh? Okay, let's go back down. Shit, this. It's a drop ceiling also too. You know, like one of those like little people live in. That kind of remind me of it. But it's a nice house and it smells really good in here. Okay. Okay, Hustle family. Appreciate you watching. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and have a blessed day.